Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a zoom in animation in CapCut using keyframes. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to create a zoom in animation in CapCut using keyframes, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So first, make sure that your CapCut is already open. And if you don't have a project yet, simply create a new project. But if you already have an existing project, you can just open it from your projects library. Once you're inside your project, import the video or image that you want to edit if you haven't already. So just click Import. Select the file that you want to use, and then import it into your project. Once you've imported your file, simply drag it down to the timeline. Now to create a zooming animation, we're going to use something called keyframes. If you don't know what a keyframe is, don't worry. It's basically a marker that tells CapCut what you want your video to look like at a specific point in time. For example, when we're creating a zoom animation, the first keyframe tells CapCut, this is where I want the zoom to start. And the next keyframe tells CapCut, this is where I want the zoom to end. So let's create our zoom animation. First, move the playhead to the exact point where you want the zooming animation to start. Then, add your first keyframe. This will mark the starting position of your animation. After that, move the playhead forward to the point where you want the zoom to finish. Then, add your second keyframe. Now, select the second keyframe and zoom in on your video to whatever level you want. And there you go. CapCut will automatically create the movement between those two keyframes. So when you play the video, you'll see that it smoothly zooms in from the original position to the new zoomed in position. And remember, you're not limited to just 2 keyframes. You can add more keyframes if you want to create more complicated zoom animations. For example, you could start normally, zoom in, zoom out, and then zoom in again by adding more keyframes throughout the video. Just remember this simple rule. The first keyframe is where the animation starts, and the last keyframe is where the animation ends. Basically, think of keyframes as start and end points. You tell CapCut how the video should look at the first point, then change how it looks at the second point, and CapCut automatically creates the movement between them. By the way, the distance between your keyframes also affects the speed of the animation. The closer the keyframes are to each other, the faster the animation will happen, while the farther apart they are, the slower and more gradual the animation will be. And that's it, guys. That's how you can create a zoom in and zoom out animation using keyframes in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.